Tanya, and today, as you have already read the title, I'll be sharing with you five habits that I incorporated in my daily routine, and they have made massive difference in my life, massive positive difference in my life, and I would like the same to happen with you guys. And so I'm sharing the five habits that I incorporated, and I want you to incorporate in your life so you can also have the positive difference. So without further blabbering, let's just get into the video. So I've written down all the habits that I have incorporated in my daily routine for you guys so that I don't forget any point, because I usually do while I blabber during the video. So yeah, these are mixed up habits. Some are related to your productivity, some are related to your body, some are related to your health. So the first habit that I want you to incorporate as well is drinking warm water in the morning. The first thing you drink is warm water as soon as you wake up. So this has brought a really great change in my metabolism and in my digestive system. So I have had the problem of constipation during my childhood, and as I grew up, I transformed my weight and I got into fitness. So with that, I also changed a few habits in my daily life, like the healthy habits. So recently I have started drinking warm water and it has done massive differences, guys. No kidding. As I told you, I've been drinking normal water since a long time, but warm water has changed the game totally. So what it does, it helps you remove all the toxins from your body. It wakes you up instantly. It has improved my metabolism. I really want you to try this thing for a week or so and you will see the difference. And do let me know in the comments below if you see any difference after taking up any of the habits that I tell you. So yeah, the second thing is rubbing a cube of ice on your face every morning and every night. So I used to do it during the morning time only, after washing my face, after having a bath or so, but now I have started doing it both during the morning and during the night. So what this ice does is it improves the blood circulation in your face. What else it does is it reduces the wrinkles part. We generally start getting wrinkles during our 30s. But rubbing ice shifts that period to later age. It also reduces pores. So I tend to have pores near my nose area and on my cheeks. A little bit, not that much, but I have seen difference. I will make a video if you want on this thing, wherein I show you my skin before and after regularly using ice cubes on my face. And I truly believe that you guys should do it. See, our face is the first thing that people see, and we want it clear. It also reduces pimples, so that is a really great thing. So sometimes pimple comes on our face. It is a natural thing. What you have to do is just rub the ice all over it, and especially on the especially on the pimple part. And as soon as you do that during the night time and you wake up, you will see the difference that it has reduced. So the third thing is, as soon as I wake up, I make my bed. So making bed, what it does, it's just a simple task. It's just a 5 to 10 minutes task that we have to do, and we all should do. See what it does, I saw a video regarding this, and after that I started doing this habit. It was a video where a person was telling how to be more productive, and he told, as soon as you make your bed, you feel more productive. Why? Because that is the first task of the day that you have completed. So it makes you feel proud that you have completed at least one thing that you thought you'll be doing, and it also motivates you to do more productive things during your day. So yeah, doing that first thing in the morning and not leaving your bed just like that. If you do it, if you make your bed properly, you will feel proud, you will feel clean, your room feels clean. So yeah, it helps you to clean your room as well as to make you feel proud that you have completed a task, and it makes you more productive. So I started doing this, and since I have done this, since I have been doing this, I have been more productive in my lifestyle, because as soon as I do my bed, I know I can do more work, and I have already woken up, and I should do more things that need to be done during the day. So yeah, that is the third thing. It is very easy. It just takes 5 minutes, and I really think you should do that. Next comes in eating habit. So what we generally do, so I told you I have transformed myself. I was fat kid since my childhood, but now I've lost 20 to 23 kgs of weight in a year. It's been long now. I have been doing gymming since 3 years. But yeah, what thing that helped me to control my appetite was portion controlling. So what we generally do is we take that big plate while we have food. So that is the normal tendency because we have been eating in that plate since like our childhood. So yeah, we have the tendency of taking food in that big plate, and until and unless it is filled up, we don't get satisfied, and because of that we tend to eat more. But I have a trick that can make you like switch things up and can make you eat less food and still feel full. So instead of taking that big size plate, I take the small one, the medium size one. There are three types of plate: the big one, the medium one, and then the small one in which we take like put a cup or something. So yeah, I take the medium plate, and in that I take all the things. Like if I am having rice, so instead of taking in that big plate, what I generally used to do, I used to fill it with rice, and because of that the portion increases twice. So whenever I take in small plate, the portion decreases by half. So if I'm taking two cups of rice in that bigger plate, I'll be having only 1 cup of rice in that small. I generally do, I fill my half of the plate with the salad. So it seems fuller, it fills our appetite, it fills our stomach, it gives the signal that yeah, that's enough food for ourselves and we should eat that much, and that's it. So it will help you reduce your weight also, and it will help you control your portion size also. And by controlling portion sizes at home, you will also be able to control your portion size during outside food. Whenever you go to bar, club, anywhere, so you will be able to control your diet there also, because you have already incorporated this habit at your home. So that is a very great thing, to eat less of the junk food and more of the healthy food. And one more thing, as soon as you eat food and you still feel hungry, just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. I swear this is the best thing that happens. Just wait for 5 to 10 minutes and you will naturally feel full, that you don't want to have anything, and by that also you reduce your portion size. So yeah, that is the fourth habit that I've started. Instead of using a big plate, I use a small plate. So the fifth habit, it is very general habit, like everybody asks you to do this, and I am also asking. So because everybody is asking, you should see that it is a very important thing and you should incorporate it in your daily life. So what I do is, I have kept this milking bottle, the 1 liter bottle, and I fill it up 3 times. I prefer filling it up like 3 to 4 times during the day and drink that much water. So 1 liter bottle into 3 times is 3 liters of water. So it is a very nice thing. You should definitely do this. It removes toxins. Water is the perfect thing. Water is the most beneficial medicinal thing that you can incorporate in your life, in your daily habits, and you should do that. So it curbs your diet, it helps you to improve your metabolism, it removes the toxins, it makes you feel full during the day, and also you, after drinking so much of water, you will be sitting in the washroom half of the time. So that will save you from the snakes and all the type of bad people that are around us. So it will save you from that. So it is a really great thing. You should definitely incorporate drinking 3 to 4 liters of water per day. Summing up the 5 habits: drinking warm water the first thing in the morning, making your bed as soon as you wake up, rubbing ice cubes on your face twice in the morning and during the night time, then drinking 3 liters of water daily. Drink minimum of 3 liters of water daily so you can remove all the toxins, and also making a difference in your appetite by switching from bigger plate to a smaller plate. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys incorporate some of these habits, not maybe 5 of them, but 1 or 2. And do let me know whichever habit you incorporate in your life and you start doing it and you start feeling fresh by it, or you see any difference. Just let me know in the comments below, so I can be motivated and tell you more of the habits that I have incorporated, and I can make more of such videos so it can help you in your future, or in your present, or in your anything of any part of your life. So if I'll be able to help you in any part of life, I'll be grateful for that, because I love helping people, and I just hope it benefits you in some or the other way. Yeah, because that is the purpose and that is the main point behind making these types of videos. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. And also do comment below, guys. Please do comment. It really helps me to know what content should I make, or you're liking my content or not. And yeah, that's it. Just bye. See you in the next video.